What's up, everybody? I'm yours truly, Uncle Justin. Today is Friday, but it's not just any Friday. It is Mungo Bean Friday. The cool part about Mungo Bean Friday is that we get to eat mungo beans. The bummer part is we don't have mungo beans. And that is what brings me here to the Carmona Public Market. Most of the action here at the Carmona Public Market occurs during the day. It's during the afternoon. But I still decided to come up here, get some mungo beans, explore, see what we can see. This is one of the places where the jeepneys park. And of course, we've got a tricycle stand right here. All these guys lined up ready to take you wherever you want to go. And an empty field back there that will soon not be very empty. If you haven't seen it yet, that's the inside of a typical jeepney. Just bench seats, open windows. And we start off right here with the fruits. Tons of fruits. Oh, they got the oil in the old bottles. Hey, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Shout out.
Shout out.
What's up, Ed? Oh, look at this. They got all the dry fish. I've actually tried the dry fish, and some of it's actually kind of good. It's almost like eating a chip. Let's see. Maybe I cut through too early. It's the wet market side. Oh, yes. No. You know what? I'm lost. I'm looking for the shop that Lonnie likes to buy at. But I just don't see it. Let's see. Ooh, bok choy is looking good. You have mungo beans? Mungo? Mungo bean. Yeah, mungo beans.
Mango beans?
Okay, do you have mungo beans?
Mango beans?
For mungo soup? Mungo? Okay. No mungo beans here. Do you have mungo beans? No. Do you know who does? Somebody? Okay. So far, I'm batting 0 on mungo beans. Kind of surprising. They're usually everywhere. Ah, there's one of the famous residents of the Carmona Market. A whole bunch of pooses out here. Lots of cats. Oh, looks like these guys found something to munch on. Let's see. Let's see. Do you have mungo beans? Mungo beans?
Mango beans?
Oh, no, wala. Oh, there's somebody's drink stash. Oh, and a bakery. Nice. Got rice. See, all I want today is some mungo beans. Ah, oh my gosh. All these baby chicks. It's cute. Alright. This store looks kind of promising. Hello. Lots of stuff back here. Do you sell mungo beans? No more. No more? Okay.
Over there, sir.
Over there?
Yeah.
What is this?
Corn.
Corn?
Mungo.
Mungo? Yeah.
may nabili ka.
Magkano?
100 per kilo.
Oh,
Tata, takalang si boss.
this is what I was after.
Sir,
Let me get half a kilo of Mungo.
kilo?
Oh,
you're a vlogger, sir?
yes, sir. Uncle Justin.
Half.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you. That's it.
Sir, how much? 50.
Go. Ta-da!
Egg, sir, egg.
Egg? No, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat. Mission accomplished. Let's go down here and see what else we got. Oh, excuse me. Right. Oh my lord. Look at that. I got one more right over there. Those are the future defenders of the Carmona Market. The new generation. There. Mama dog. Taking a little nap. Oh, they got buko juice over here. Wait for this truck. So they say buko juice is healthy. Hello! A buko juice, Makano. Makano, 1 cup.
20 pesos.
20 pesos. Oh, oh. Let's do it. Hi!
Fresh buko juice.
Perfect.
Fresh from Carmona Market.
Excellent.
Hello. Carmona Market. Fresh buko juice.
Cheers.
Guyabano.
What is this?
Guyabano.
Bono.
Banana.
Oh, little ones.
Banana.
That's awesome.
Eh, this one. Papaya.
Ah,
Papaya.
Makano.
60 per kilo.
60 per kilo.
Right, Guyabano. Ready to eat.
How much is this?
80 per kilo. Ready to
80
eat.
per kilo.
How about Guyabano?
Kasi pag hindi ka lagot ka, magbabali ka rin dahil niya sa akin lagi. Ang girlfriend niya. Iba yan. Mayroon, hula-hulaan. Okay, mga kabarangay at sa mga kapusok mo natin.
Hi, thank you. Bye again.
I will. Thank you. Salamat.
Come back tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Maybe. You never know.
Yes.
Kasi meron kami-
Salamat.
Are you speaking Tagalog?
Konti lang. Konti lang.
Little.
Try to learn. Yes, sir.
Actually, kagagawa na nito.
Salamat.
Sa Facebook siguro sa million. Ayan, siguro ito sa akin. Sa mga
So they say
na
This is supposed to be really good for hydration, and it's got some, I don't know, vitamins or whatever in there that are really good for you. Tastes kind of sweet. It's delicious. Even got a little bit of coconut meat down in there. It's good. Check out the sidecar on that motorcycle. That almost looks classic. Well, long story short, the gimbal decided to act up and I missed the purchase. But I did pick up a couple more vegetables, carrots, green beans, and some green onions. And that was all only 40 pesos. So I'm really, really pleased with that price. All right, I'm gonna walk over to the dry goods side, see what's going on over there. Here is building number 1. This is where they house all of the dry goods. I hate to say it, but my gimbal has decided to quit working. So I'm filming the rest of this video by hand. Sorry for just getting shaky. This is dry goods. Doesn't look like much is going on back here. Yeah, definitely not much going on back here. I was thinking if we cut through the center, we might see some more stores open, but apparently not. Yeah, this is the stuff that they sell. All the brooms, all of that cool stuff. Looks like they got some sun hats. Oh, look at those giant pots. I could use those. Use that. Hi. Yes, sir. Hi. Hello. How are you guys? Party. Got all sorts going on. Looks like they even got a little clothing shop back here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Got some nice stuff. Hello. How are you? Excellent. We're gonna go out this way. Love it. Great people, good times. Thank you. Oh, excuse us. So, this is the outside next to building number 1. You can see tons and tons of plants. They've got them all. When we were renting our other home, I would come down here and buy some stuff. We got some potting soil, we got some flowers, we got some plants. Not much survived, mostly because, you know, I was just trying to learn what to plant and where, but a lot of fun. Definitely have a lot of cool stuff. God.